in Maryland, Frederick, Maryland. First song, I decided to open with Paris Ooh La La on the keys, which was really cool. It's very nasty. It's like, you got me down on the floor. Wow. So why'd you bring me down here for? You got me down on the floor. So what'd you bring me down here for? There is a man break my mood. And then it just got worse and worse, and every time I hit the piano it would go. But I didn't know, so then I kept playing, and then the poor piano died. We'll save it for later. I'll play that song in a whole new way that no one has ever played it before. In a little while. I was so excited about doing Delirious. I've never done it this way. I wanted to try. Because I have had many people request this song.
Yes.
And I know this would be a cool way to do it. Can I try it again?
Yeah.
I would like to watch you try to disco dance to this version. And for those of you who don't know what Delirious or anything I'm saying means at all, which is totally cool too, I made an ill-advised disco album a few years back, which I still love more than anything that's ever happened. But for those of you who weren't part of that narrative, people did not like it, but a lot of people really liked it. And so now you can watch my fans, kind of like the Runaway Bride movie, where there's like all the New Yorkers on this side and all the country people on that side, and you can tell who's who. But if you want to try to slow dance to this disco number right now, I think maybe the people that haven't been a part of it the whole time should try. Just jump in the middle, people. Ooh, let's not go there. Sweet lights are so persistent, they keep calling out to me from the dark side of the city. I never close my eyes, 'cause I don't know what's waiting on the other side. Life's just too good to miss. That's why I never sleep. I love the way I feel when I'm delirious. Oh, delirious. And the day turns into night, turns into day, turns into delirious. Another day turns into night, turns into day. I'm still delirious. Well, the night winds down and it waits me to take its way across the town. If I've never seen it before, I'm gonna see it by the end of the night for sure. And the day turns into night, turns into day, turns into delirious. The